So, prototype in JavaScript is a mechanism where object inherits its property or method from their prototype, and it searches until the this prototype is not null. So I have this object, simple object with name property in there. So I can do like console.log person.name, then it will log my name, so I can access this property inside this person. But if I do like there is not available inside this object, that will be like city. So I can, if I try to access, so city, maybe it's a method. Then if I try to log this city method inside that person, then it will give error that city is not function, as you can see. But if I try to do like dot to string, then this will not give any error. Let me comment this, and if I clear this log and if I try to run again, so it will log object, so it's working. So how does this dot to string is not available inside this person object, this method is not available inside this person object, then how it's uh, working, how this method is working dot to string on this person object. So this is uh, inherit from its there, this is object, so it's inherit from the object prototype. So there are many property or method in the object prototype. So let me get that, like get, we can access all the object properties using get on property names. Then we can add here person. So person is object, and if I log here this, all the property inside this person will show in this last log. Let me comment above also. So as you can see, it's showing the inside this person object property, but not the prototype that uh, we access in this dot to string. So let's see how to access that also. So we can do dot underscore double underscore dot not dot proto, then again we do double underscore, then we can see how many property or method inside the object prototype. So as you can see, in the object prototype there will be dot to string, so that how we can access in the all the objects. So so this dot to string is not like we can access from this object only, we can access all the kind of if I do person 2, that will be uh, John, then person 2 can also we can do for person 2. So this is not like we can do for only one object, we can access all the object, all all the object we can access this property or methods uh, using what we call it inherit from it's from prototype. So Same for like not the object, same for all the functions. Functions, array, string, numbers, dates. If I do here date, then it will show. We can also do like date. We can see all the prototype that we can do, like as you can see, to local date string, to local time string, and set second, get months, and all kind of uh, so this will inherit from the prototype. But uh, we can do like object dot keys and something like that. So how we cannot see this kind of keys and all this method? Why we cannot see this keys object dot other method, like this what we call entries freeze from entry? Why we cannot see in the prototype? For the object, that will be person. Let me comment this. So here we can't see like object dot this get on properties in this object, and the same for other like entries object dot entries. And why we cannot see here? So this is not the actually uh, inherit from prototype, but actually this object is providing a prototype for this object. So we can see if we do object, then let's see, not proto, I think. Look up object. If we do only object, so the here we can see all that object dot keys entries in the object. So this object actually providing prototype to this person. You can see here on the top, I think, as you can see this prototype. So we access this uh, object prototype from this object. So this object is providing this prototype, and we are accessing this person, all the object prototype from this object to this prototype. So if I do dot prototype, then we can see all this object prototype that we seen on the underscore core underscore proto. So as you can see, it's showing that dot to string and dot to local string that we previously see using dot underscore proto. And let me use some like array or function that will be more understandable. So array have a method like map filter reduce, Then we can do array. Me too. So array have also prototype here. Array dot apply length. So here will be length, name is array from and of only the property inside this array, but we are accessing what we call, if I have array here, that will be 1 2, then we can do like array dot map. That will be coming from, not from here, that will be coming from prototype, not this array, but this will provide the prototype. So if I do dot prototype, then it will show that map and other method here, as you can see. So uh, this array dot map and all kind of method not come from this array, it comes from this prototype. So we cannot do like array. If I try to add some method like array dot my function, then if I do equal to, then console.log, that will be my name. So this my function is not available on that array, like array dot my function, so it will not work like that. Let me comment this below log. It will give error, my function is not function. As you can see, my function is not function, but I can do like array dot my function, that will be available for this here. Let me go. So as you can see, my function is available inside that array, not prototype. So we can access, and also this printing my name Ankit. But if we want to use that all the array that we are storing in the variable, that if we want to use this my function on this array, my function, my new function, my proto function, then we have to add on the proto, that then and only we can access this my proto function. So let me add this in prototype, so we can add this in that prototype, that will be here prototype. Then we can see that my prototype function, then we can access Ankit from prototype. Prototype. So as you can see, Ankit from prototype, that will be this function, and this is from the array directly, that will be from here. So this is same for all string numbers function that have this prototype, and we are accessing it's inherit from that prototype, not directly from array or function or any object that will be look like this. Not like, we are not accessing from this, we are accessing from prototype. So this is my understanding of prototype. So thank you.